There's quite an array of onions here. These are good just for cooking onions. Plain, no nonsense cooking onions. But you will see that there's pink onions, red onions, sweet onions, Spanish onions. Now the red onions I like to put in a salad. They have a nice flavour. But if you're using chicken or pork, use a sweet onion or just one of these Spanish onions, because the red detracts from the colour of the meat. This is a nice white onion. Again, a nice, sweet, not too sharp flavour. But the sweet onion is another favourite of mine that goes into a salad, because sometimes when you eat a salad, all you can taste is the onion if the salad's raw.